Year 2023 to all my YouTube family. May Allah bless you with lots of good health, happiness, and prosperity. For the Burj Khalifa show and for the Jumeirah beach view, we started from our home at around 10:30 at night time, but to my surprise, they have blocked the road till the time we reached the Bay Canal area. The queue of the cars were around for more than 1 hour, and I have a little like a sound of heartbeat, like dug 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 kind of thing. That today that I'm gonna miss it anyhow. So I was praying in my heart that please Allah, please let me reach over there so that I can completely capture. But it's like some things are not meant for you, so we were not able to reach, and this place was completely blocked. Whatever car queues were formed over there, and ultimately we had to take a U-turn because the people have came there more of the capacity they could have managed, so they already closed everything, and the only last option which we had was to come and turn around the car. We took the U-turn, and then I was literally looking at the Burj Khalifa and thinking maybe some or the other time I can reach and capture the things, because this was the first time I am been on YouTube, and I really wanted my viewers to watch the fire show as much as I wanted to show of myself. Then later we have thought like let's go and try in Jumeirah beach, because sunrise beach the option has been gone, so maybe we can try over there. And alhamdulillah, we finally reached Jumeirah Bay without wasting the time for around 15-20 minutes. As soon as I just reach over there, oh my goodness, you won't believe there were not a single space to keep your leg. So forgot about the parking. It was a big hustle to reach over there. You can see in this clip there were many thousands of people. They have climbed up, and even I climbed up. It was so risky. We came over here, and it was only 10 minutes left for the show to start, and my eyes were completely on the Burj Khalifa peak. And here there were spotlight shows going on. There were some concerts which we have not taken the participation, so I am just adding clips. You can see some of the people are climbing up in that area, Bay Area. And then it was so really surprised that the show was about to happen, and even they have organized the fire show on the backside as well. In the right corner of this area we can watch Burj Al Arab show as well, and on the right side, on the left side as well, I can also watch Al Sif show. So it was like four things happening all together, and I was so confused which to capture, which to not. And really it was so wholesome thing to see. Really, I was so happy that finally I saw this, and I'm able to capture it for my viewers, and I really want you to enjoy this, so please have a look. the show finished, it was like a different kind of struggle to reach your car and then to just head towards your home, because whoever have came there, they also wanted to return, right? And it took us 2 hours to reach our home. No, I mean 2.5 hours. And later we had to refuel the car, and then we reach home. Oh my god, the experience was wholesome and amazing. And this is how my new year was. So I really want you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that we can see you in another vlog. Till then, Allah Hafiz.